About to whip up this leg of lamb dinner. Boneless leg of lamb with potatoes roasted and asparagus. Delicious. Nice asparagus, bacon, that good lemon butter sauce. You don't know nothing about that. Got them potatoes up there doing that thing, looking beautiful, succulent. That's how we do it in Pen and Buzz, baby. Better get you some. Yeah. Beautiful. My daughter talking about she want this big ass piece of asparagus. She ain't gonna get it. No, no, no.